Okay, so the next piece that we're going to be working on over the next few days is really putting this all together. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of your argument essay organizer, you'll see step 7. It's the starting to write process. So it's underneath your summary. Keep going. We're going to take this one piece at a time. You have this essay essentially written. It's just putting all the pieces together and having flow and transition. So we're going to start tomorrow, Wednesday, with the introduction. You'll write your hook first, then you'll need something of a transition into your summary. Now you have to look at your summary. For all of you, it's different. Some of your summaries flow nicely from your hook, some of them don't. They need a little bit of a smooth transition between those two steps. The last thing of that paragraph will be your thesis. You cannot just state it is social media's fault. You need to have a little bit more. It's social media's fault or isn't social media's fault that teens are getting hurt, that dangerous challenges are being attempted. Okay, spell it out just a little bit more. So the introductory paragraph, your responsibility for that, I should say your new responsibility for that is really just transitions so that it comes out as a paragraph. You're going to find a document assigned to you on Wednesday that says your argument essay final. It's where you're going to actually start typing your argument essay. So you don't have to create the document. It will be linked to an assignment for you. And you got to move back and forth between this organizer and that document and put all the pieces together. So for today, Tuesday, it's really about looking at steps 1 through 6 and making sure you've corrected all the issues, you've done any revisions that have been asked, you've taken out personal pronouns unless you were told, like for a hook, that it was okay. All of those steps, if they're in place and they're good, I've given you the feedback that says great, good, perfect, whatever I wrote, then you should be set for a pretty easy ride as far as writing this argument essay. Okay, so starting tomorrow, Wednesday, you're going to work on the introduction paragraph. Again, this little organizer is at the very bottom of that organizer you've been working on, and it goes step by step through writing this essay.